Theme of my presentation today: defining and meeting levels of expectation. And if there was one common theme, one common challenge I saw in all offices, it was exactly what I started this presentation with: defining levels of expectation and then clearly making those levels of expectation clear to both your external and internal clients. If everyone understands what everybody is to expect, and those expectations are delivered consistently, you will have a perfect circle of excellence. My guess is, however, if I asked 100 people watching this presentation to define what they would consider a perfect cleaning, I would get as many as 20, possibly 30 different answers to that question. When I was in Houston working with an owner, his idea of a perfect cleaning was washing the windows on the inside every single time you cleaned a repeat client, even if they were weekly. This is a totally different explanation than I would give for a perfect cleaning, because I charged for windows on the inside now. I made a lot of money selling what I called ancillary services, and that was one of them. So in order to be sure that everyone is on the same level of expectations, you need to clearly define those levels of expectations. Levels of expectation change so much depending upon who's defining them. So let's talk first about the external client expectations. What should an external client expect for what they're paying? Well, in order to understand that, I think we first have to analyze what the average every other week client is paying.